Hey everybody, welcome back to A Glittery Life. Did you feel like I abandoned you? Did you think I was never coming back? I know it feels that way. I haven't posted since before Christmas and it's the end of January. That's terrible. My sincerest apologies. January is such a busy month for me as a makeup artist because it's the beginning of award season. And this year I happened to have a Golden Globe winner whose makeup I did for the Golden Globe, so she was on the red carpet. That's a huge deal for my career. Woo! And it's also Sundance Film Festival. I'm always there for at least a week. So it's just such a busy month, especially then just pile on top of that just regular work, like the normal stuff. And I did a big project with Makeup Geek this month and I've just been crazy busy. And before Sundance, I got a cold and missed all of IMATs, which is such a bummer. Then have a cough that won't quit. Kind of like felt a little bit better before Sundance, worked that whole week like a maniac, went to Sundance sick, was okay, didn't feel great, but wasn't like terrible. Came home from Sundance, and today is my first day out of bed since I got home from Sundance. Yeah, I basically spent 6 days thinking I was dying. This flu, you guys, is no joke. It's so terrible. And now I have this like cough that just will not go away. Now, none of that is why you're here. So my apologies. But that's why my voice is like super froggy. And that's kind of where I've been. But this is why you're here. My Beautylish unboxing. I swear so many of you have messaged me going, did you hate your box? How come you haven't filmed yet? Y'all, I haven't filmed yet because I've been in bed dying. I can't even exaggerate. If you have a thumbs up if you've survived the flu this season, because sister, like, good on you, solidarity, it's hard to survive. And those of you who are moms who got this and still had children, God bless you. You have the hardest job on the planet. I don't know how you do it. So anyway, Beautylish Lucky Bag. I gotta drink some water. And I know you're gonna ask what's on my lips, so I'll link it down below because you guys always wanna know. Excuse me. I'm not gonna even edit out my coughing because I just wanna get this video posted. So for the first year ever, I was able to get the XL bag. It wasn't sold out. I swear I got the very last one and I was like freaking out. I was so excited. And my bag did not disappoint. I knew I got this more for the, like, I want to see what's in it. I want to be able to review the XL bag because I've never gotten to review the XL bag, full well knowing that I would totally have stuff in here already because of how much I buy from Beautylish. So, but I have to show you the thing I was the most excited about. The Orbe Travel Essentials. Are you freaking kidding me? First off, this is retail value $100. Now, I know not everybody understands that because it's travel sizes, but it's Orbe Gold Lust. My favorite shampoo and conditioner, my favorite hair care line ever, and it's so expensive, I cannot justify repurchasing it. But I'm so excited that for my traveling that I get the, it's the Orbe Gold Lust shampoo, Gold Lust Repair and Restore conditioner, the Gold Lust dry shampoo, the lip balm, which I've never tried. I'm so excited to try that. And then a little mini of the rollerball of the perfume. So I know people were complaining about this, but I think you only complain because you don't understand and you don't know what this is. Because most people in their right mind are not going to spend $100 on like trial stuff. But it's because you've never tried this. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I literally, this was the thing in my bag and I got a great lucky bag. This was the thing, and I even told Nils, I was talking to Nils, the CEO of Beautylish, I was talking to him the other day and I was like, dude, the best thing I got, the thing I was most pumped about was the Orbe travel set because I would never spend $100 on this. It doesn't mean it's not worth $100. It's just that if I had an extra $100 laying around, I couldn't splurge myself this much. I'd be like, over in the, I don't know, getting the Sicily neck cream with, I'd find $400 more to play with that $100 and get the Sicily neck cream. I'll link that down below if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I got the By Terry Sun Designer palette. I was so sick. I can't even remember what I got. I haven't even opened any of this. So this is number 4, Savannah Love, which I already have. So if you are looking for this one, if you're looking for a trade, and you wanted the Savannah Love palette, let me know. It's the one for lighter, like fair skin. It's like so beautiful. So I do have some good tradesies, or I'll put some of these, if people don't want to trade, I'll put some of them in my next makeup sale, which means you can get them at a really good price. So, but this is fantastic. I just already have it. This is something that I did not have. This is the By Terribly, Terribly Velvet Rouge lip set, their gift and lip set. And I'm excited to try these because I've never tried these before and I didn't have them. I picked up a bunch of the stuff from the By Terry holiday, but weirdly enough, this was not one of the things I picked up. I'm really excited about this because, you know, I love the Charlotte Tilbury liquid lips, and this is in shade Best Actress, which I don't have. I don't even know what shade it is. Let's see. So this is Best Actress. That's really pretty. It's definitely more of like that peachy brown nude, which is really pretty. So this is my favorite. I don't know. I haven't done a best of 2017. Tell me if you guys even want it. Is it too late? Are you over it? If you want me to do a best of 2017, tell me, because I can film it this week. So leave me a comment. But hands down, this is my favorite lip product of 2017. I got the Natasha Denona Holiday Palette in Aries. Also already have this, but not mad. I don't need a backup of this one, and I don't need this one in my kit. So once again, this is going to either be for trades if somebody is looking for this, or I don't know. This was the other thing I was the most excited on. Isn't this funny? I go through these like crazy for traveling. I love the minis, and I have such a hard time refilling them. So I never refill mine with the big guys. But you know, the Scentsy Bio is my favorite thing. So I was like, oh yes, all of my best travel stuff restocked. Okay, I don't want to get this lip everywhere. Now this was like such a score. This is the Wayne Goss brush number 12. Super pumped to have a second one of these. And this is one of those things that will actually go right in my pro kit because it's just too good of a brush not to use professionally. I always hear people say, I never put my good brushes in my pro kit. And I'm like, what kind of makeup artist are you? That's where your good brushes should be. That's where you're doing your best work. That's what people are paying you for. So I certainly put my best brushes. I mean, I keep them for myself and then I duplicate them in my kit. I just think if I wouldn't use it on myself, why would I ever put it on somebody who's paying me on their face? So if I do your makeup, you do get the best. And my girl Jasmine, where are you at, girl? You can attest to that. Leave a comment telling them how awesome it is to have your makeup done by me. You don't have to. That's like shameless. I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm on cold medicine, okay? So just give me like a break. Don't thumbs down it because you think I'm like being arrogant or whatever. I'm not. I'm just being funny. This, oh, I forgot that I got this. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Celestial Skin Liquid Lightening. And I didn't have this. I was actually kind of excited about this. Oh wait, do I have this? I might have this. I can't remember if I have this or not. I think I have this. But I think I have it in my pro kit. I don't think I have it in my like personal collection. So that's kind of exciting. It's just it's a liquid illuminator, like skin illuminator. And I have recently like been all about Kevyn Aucoin. In fact, during the VIB sale, I went, which I've never done my VIB haul. I need to do a Sephora haul video for you. I realize that. But you'll see, I went a little ham on Kevyn Aucoin stuff. And then this one I was really excited about too. This is the Solasu Snow Wise Brightening Mask. And messing up my lighting. I've never tried anything from Solasu, so I'm excited to try this. In fact, if you guys want to see me review anything from Solasu, yeah, I'm saying it right. Tell me, because I'll check it out and I'll review it for you. So that was my lucky bag. I didn't add up the total. It was $150 for the bag, and it's already, just these two products alone are $150. right? Is that what it was? Yeah, 75 for the regular, 150 for the extra large, and then $15 of shipping, I think, or something like that. So these two products alone paid for my lucky bag, and I got a whole bunch of other awesome stuff on top of that. So I was super happy. I was totally prepared to have actually more duplicates than I had. So I really only ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4 duplicates. So I knew that though. I was 100% prepared for that. So not worried about it. You guys, be nice. I'm sorry. I'm sick still, trying to get better. But I was totally prepared for that. So all in all, I think, in fact, I will add up my total and have it down below in the drop down, just in case you're curious to see what my bag added up to be. I didn't get an extra lucky bag this year. I just got a normal one, the extra large, but not extra lucky. I've saw a ton of extra lucky ones. Anytime I see somebody get an extra lucky, I'm like so pumped for them. One year I did get an extra lucky and it had a $20 gift card for Beautylish, and I was like, I hit the jackpot. So that's how you know they're not rigged, you guys. I'm like their favorite, and I didn't get an extra lucky one. So anyway, always think the lucky bag is my favorite beauty deal of the year. And this year, above all other years, I couldn't believe how good they were. I had tons of friends get them. I saw tons on Instagram, and I was just like, every bag was so juicy and had so much value. So if you got the lucky bag, hopefully you are as happy as I am. And let me know if you're looking for any of the things that I have for trade. Or if not, just look for them in a makeup sale. I have a huge box of stuff I need to do a makeup sale. So leave me a comment down below if you want me to do a makeup sale. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.